Ahoy there, Captain Bayou Billy J here. And who the hell are the Traveling Gilberts? Well, let me sing you a little song.
Who the hell are the Traveling Gilberts? Eating gumbo got their taste buds thrilled, rolling dice in a lively casino land, with pralines in their hand, gadgets in their plan. From cruising I see, singing laughable anthems, for digging into jambalaya. All the travelers, the Traveling Gilberts, got a flavor that fills, living that Louisiana life with humor and thrills. Navigating storms with a po' boy in hand, Ronnie's got a wild and it's true no bland. From the bayou to the seas where the roux is rolled, the lives and thrills of the Traveling Gilberts unfold, with a taste of jambalaya, spicing up the land, the Louisiana way, with pralines in demand.
Who the hell are the Traveling Gilberts?